Hello, this is Mr. Walter. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pew Research Center political topology quiz, how to explore that, and then how to use AllSides to discover a topic and sources to use for your paper. So, first things first is if you click the Pew Research link that I provided, it will take you right to this page. So where do you fit in the political topology? With the link, it's automatically going to record your answers in your topology and share the results with the class anonymously. So to begin, just hit Start Quiz, and you just answer the questions however you think is correct. This is just based on your beliefs, so there's no right or wrong answer. You'll click through whatever you think is right based on the question. Pretty simple. 16 questions, takes about 15 or so minutes. Some of them will ask you to explain more depending on your answer. When you answer all of the questions, it'll put you into one of these categories. It's actually going to organize our class in their respective categories based on their answers. You won't be able to see who's who. The answers are anonymous. It just gives assigns a number and a percentage. See if our results match up to the general public. But also, it'll give you your one of 9 political leanings. You can see these are all left. You have a middle, center, these different right ones. So whatever it tells you that you are, I very much encourage you to read, explore really what all of these are saying. They all have different characteristics based on what you answer. In addition to that, you're going to want to look at all of them. Look at ones that you are, that are close to yours, and look at ones that you are not. See how other people think. I highly encourage you. They got some data of how many equals what, as well as some characteristics. They're making generalizations here. None of these are true. Just because you're put in a specific category doesn't mean it fits perfectly to you. It's a generalization. Once you have that topology, and you've read up on it, you know a little about it, you're going to go on to AllSides to pick a research topic to make an argument. I like AllSides because it presents multiple different sides for a single issue. So to first find a topic, just click on topics. You give you all kinds of topics here. Hot topics that are popular right now, getting a lot of clicks, as well as some of these. But if you go here on the right, you can see how many there really are. There's a lot. So pick through multiple and see what is the hot topic. So for this point, we're going to energy. Oh, we already have some primary sources here, some data points from the Department of Energy. So very cool stuff already off the bat from the U.S. Department of Energy. But you scroll down, you're going to see lots of stories related to this topic. So here we have different policies related to energy, gas rebate cards from various different sources. So you have from the left, so if you were left leaning on your topology, you can see these that might coincide with your views, but I'd really challenge you to look at views that do not coincide. So, and just look at centers stuff too. Just because it says center doesn't necessarily mean that it's like better. But look at all of them. The center might just be oftentimes a little bit shorter. When you click on an issue, it's going to give you a quick summary what that issue is, and then some stories related to that. So, look at another topic. There's a gun control Supreme Court decision today. So you can see, read about the facts as well as various issues. And so some of these sources will link to other primary sources too. So you go to SCOTUS blog. You can this will give a very drawn out summary, but it'll also post the original decision. So play around with these different sources and topics until you find one that interests you, that you want to write about. Thank you.